Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. We're gonna cook tonight and we're making kung pao hang on a minute, we'll find out. We're gonna make kung pao pork meatballs with peppers, peanuts, and cauliflower rice. We're not doing cauliflower rice. I'm gonna do regular rice, but I just have my cauliflower out because I'm gonna make it as a side dish. And if they want to put it over that, they can. If they don't have to. But yeah, we just work with what we got. And I didn't have a head of cauliflower. Get it away here in a minute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip y'all around and show you what we need. Okay. What we're gonna need in my fancy jar here with my fancy labeling, cornstarch, panko breadcrumbs. I don't know why everybody does the little labels and everything. It's all nice and everything, but you know what? This washes off just as good with nail polish remover or alcohol, or even just a scrubby sponge. Got panko breadcrumbs. It says soy sauce, but we don't use soy sauce around here because we don't like it. We use liquid aminos. 2 celery stalks. Himalayan salt because I like it. It says ginger root. I don't like grating ginger root, so I got the stir and paste. Calls for a red bell pepper. I'm using a red yellow because that's what we have. Ground pork, peanuts, Splendid brown sugar blend, toasted sesame oil, rice vinegar, green onions, and my cauliflower. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to add our pork, our ginger, our panko crumbs, and our chili sauce to our bowl, and we are going to mix this together. It says to use a cup of panko. I use a half or a fourth. No, it says half a cup, and I use a fourth of a cup because I just do not like spongy meat. That is just nasty, gross. So anyway, we're going to mix this up. And mind you, I do have one of those meat mixture things. I don't like it. A lot of people like it. I don't like it. Okay, so we mix it up. We're taking our tablespoon measurement, and we're going to do tablespoon size meatballs. Why we do that is so then that way you have enough to distribute into your dish, and you're not just have these great big huge meatballs and hopefully they got done, because you've got to get pork done. And I don't care what anybody says, pork needs to be done. And why these are, when you're making these up, make sure that you turn your pan on medium heat to heat it up so it'll be hot when you put your oil in it, and stick your meatballs in it. Okay, while I was waiting, I didn't heat up my pan first, so I'm gonna do my cauliflower. I'm going to cut it up finely. Well, I'm gonna just chop it up, and then I'm going to put that in the oven and roast it. That's why I put the fat foil on it, because I don't like cleaning up these pans with they just get cruddy gross, and I'm like, no. That's why you see me using parchment paper and foil a lot, because I don't want to have to sit and scrub a pan. It's just easier to clean up like this, and makes life so much easier. Okay, now what we're going to do is I added about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to my cauliflower, and now I'm going to be chopping up the onions, and I'm going to be throwing these in the pan, I think. Nope, I'm going to put my balls in there first. I mean, my meatballs. Why did I say balls? Oh my gosh. Anyway, I'm going to put my pork meatballs in here and get them all brown and done. Because what you're going to do is continuously, you're going to turn them over, because they cook pretty fast. Being this small, you'll be surprised.
I used to think another wasted night, but not anymore, no.
Okay, now I'm going to continue to cut up my bell pepper, and you cut it up as small as you can get it, or dice it small, I should say, because you want it to fill the, you don't want it to be overpowering in your, big chunk pieces. Okay, I'm going to cut my celery up into small diced pieces also. And if you've got a big celery, because where we shop, they don't have very big celery. But you can cut them into 3. Now here we're going to do our sauce. We're going to add our rice vinegar, our chili sauce. We are going to add our brown sugar, our liquid aminos, our starch. I will list the recipe in the description. And then we're going to whisk that up. And we're going to set that to the side for a minute. My meatballs look just about done. See how they're getting golden brown? That's what you want. We're going to put them on a paper towel to drain, because you don't want all of that grease, because you're going to put your vegetables in the grease that you just took out your meatballs out of, and you're going to soften those. You're going to make them, you're going to sweat them is what I call it. But you're going to cook them down a little bit, and then you'll add all of your other ingredients to it. You'll see here in a minute how long. It's probably about 6 minutes. And here I put rice vinegar in my I'm sorry, I put the peanuts in my bell pepper mixture, so then that way they'll brown up and they'll roast a little bit. And yes, I clean as I go, because I cannot stand a dirty kitchen. If the sink's not clean, the kitchen's not clean. That's my philosophy. And the less dishes I have to do, the better off I am. So I just don't want to do all that at the end.
Another night and I'm just walking, city lights and people talking. I don't know where I'm supposed to go.
Even though Renee cleans the kitchen after dinner, I normally try to clean the dishes as I go because I just cannot stand a dirty kitchen. I can't cook into a dirty kitchen.
Could you tell me? Should I let you go?
And don't get me wrong, my kitchen does get dirty sometimes because I just don't feel like cleaning.
Yeah, I have to know if you wanna be mine. 'Cause this is so frustrating. Tell me now, don't keep you waiting. Hey, these four walls get so depressing.
Okay, now we're going to put our meatballs back into our mixture, our bell pepper mixture, and we're going to cook that around for a little bit. And I don't know if y'all see up there in the corner from the pan on the stove, I'm making rice with this, and it's just regular jasmine rice. Or no, this is basmati. No, this is jasmine rice. Jasmine rice and basmati rice is good rice for you. It's not, it doesn't swell as bad. Okay, now we're going to put our mixture into our pork. And I tasted it there, and it tastes pretty good. It'll even taste better when it's cooked. Isn't that my friend? Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Y'all try it out and see how you like it. We'll let you know. Talk to you later. See you. Bye.
Gotta know if I'm gonna be yours or don't you keep me waiting. Yeah, I have to know,